Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your development environment for AI in Django. Install Python 3, 11, and Django 4.2 in a virtual environment. Use pip to install OpenAI, Django REST Framework, and Python 10 for secrets. Obtain an OpenAI API key and store it in the environment variable OpenAI API KEY. Create a new Django project and app with manage, Py start project and start app commands. Configure settings, Py to load environment variables securely from N file. Run migrations and confirm the server responds on the default port. Implement a service module to encapsulate OpenAI API calls and error handling. Use OpenAI. Chat completion. Create for conversational models and OpenAI. Completion. Create for single-turn prompts. Serialize requests and responses as JSON and log only non-sensitive metadata for debugging. Implement exponential backoff, retries for 429 and 5xx errors to maintain stability. Enforce rate limits such as 60 requests per minute, and cap prompt sizes to 4,000 tokens per request. Validate user input server-side to avoid injection and unexpected token usage. Expose AI functionality through Django REST endpoints that accept prompts and return JSON. Protect endpoints with token authentication and permission checks for each user. Limit input size to 64 kilobytes per request and validate content for safety. Avoid storing raw prompts in logs or database unless explicitly required and encrypted. Deploy using Docker containers and set environment variables with a secrets manager in production. Ensure HTTPS and monitor usage, latency, and cost metrics after deployment to maintain reliable service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.